Hello ladies and gentlemen, the new update for Dying Light the Beast is finally here, and along with a new mode, some more outfits, truck skins, and weapons, we also have a couple new insane finishers for Beast Mode. There are 5 new ones in total, and it's something the community, myself included, has been asking for. And in general, we just want more to do in Beast Mode, and so this is what we got. There is a new one for each of the special infected, all showing how much Kyle just doesn't give a fuck. While the update is mostly about the survival aspects, it is nice they still let us be an unstoppable monster if, you want to. And you're probably gonna want to after seeing these. They're so good, man. Let's start off with my favorite, which is for the Banshee. Kyle grabs it as it's running at him, taking its own claws and shoves it through its face. This was straight up the face I was making, dude. I loved everything that I saw. The other finishers are really good too, like the volatile one as Kyle pokes its eyes out, then he's like, screw this. Choke slams the volatile, starts going at him. The other guys are waiting around like, oh shit, we're next. And then it ends with Kyle ripping its face in half. I'll show the goon one next. It's a bit similar to the other goon one where Kyle uses the rebar against itself, but this time Kyle rips it out and stabs it in the stomach and pins it to the ground, sort of like what he does with the final boss and his finishing move there. Now, the new one added for the Charger is like a swift 1-2 combo. Kyle snaps its leg off like a pencil and stomps its head in. And last but not least is for the Demolisher, where we do a slide maneuver after smacking its arm off. It then turns around and looks at us all hunched over and accepts its fate as Kyle then goes and rips its head off. Good stuff. I really hope this isn't the end of new finishers being added though, seeing as Techland bundled everything into a new definitive version. But if it is, we got some really badass finishers in this game, man. Can't take that for granted. When I first played this game, I was a little put off that there was only one finisher per special infected, so I'm glad they went ahead and made you feel like more of a madman on a revenge mission. Now, I know a lot of people are wondering about my honest thoughts about the update, and watch tomorrow's video because there's a lot more to the update than I thought, in good ways and in bad ways too. Well, yeah, we'll get to it all soon. Let me know what your favorite of the new finishers are, or just share your thoughts about the update in general down below, now that many of you have probably had a chance to try it out for yourself. And as always, thank you all for watching, subscribe to stay up to date on everything Dying Light, and stop by for the next one, folks. Adios.